Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a sort of review of the new Brita Premium filtered water bottle. I got this because after seeing the documentary about plastic, I was more so concerned about there being microplastics inside of the conventional water bottle. Here, let me show you one for example. So for these, like for example, we have Deer Park bottled water here, a Deer Park bottled water here, and inside of this bottle of water it contains numerous amounts of microplastic. And they end up in there naturally because plastics kind of seems to make their way to the ocean, just kind of erodes, and it just makes its way right back into the cycle, into the fish. And so I wanted to get one of these Brita premium filters because I was very concerned about there being microplastics in the water we consume. Hence this video, because I hadn't seen too many videos out there, or even a video out there about someone doing a review on this filter. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle that today. So as you can see, we have this Brita premium filtered water bottle. It can hold up to 26 ounces. So this small bottle, these conventional water bottles here has about 16.9 fluid ounces. This one can hold 26. So just a little under 2 of these bottled waters can fit inside here. Now they do have a bigger size. I think it's like a 32 or 34 ounce out there, but I kind of wanted to get the smaller one because it's sleek and it's a little bit more portable and just fits my overall theme. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the lid here, which is pretty cool. Has the Brita branding. This is really nice plastic. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's pretty sturdy. Has a little release button here. When you press it, it pops open. This is the mouthpiece here. As you can see, I haven't even opened it yet. Yeah, the little mouthpiece here, pretty sterile, covered up in more plastic. So I'm just going to unscrew it and show you guys what we're working with here. So when you unscrew, you'll notice that this funnel right here, this is actually the straw. And we can actually twist and unturn it right here. It's a really good seal. Just twist it, and this is actually where you're going to put your filter in down here. So as you're sucking up water from the bottle, it's going to come up through the straw, and it's going to be filtered out, and that's what you're going to get, is the filtered water. Now, this one does come with a water filter. I wasn't aware of that, so I actually bought one of these. But today when I was looking at this packaging, I realized that it came with one inside, which is pretty much a lifesaver, because this was like 3 of them for like 11 or 12 bucks or something like that. And here it has some paperwork inside, if I can manage to get it out without completely destroying this box. There we go. Yeah, so this is just some paperwork, you know. This is the Spanish section, and here is the English section. So this is basically a user guide. It tells you how to use the filter, however you want to call it. So start here, drink clean, drink fresh, get more water, get more with Brita. And I believe it has like a water table or some kind of table down here. Okay, let's see what we got. Yeah, I'm not too sure of the semantics on this, but I just kind of wanted to show this to you guys for those of you out there who wanted to see something like this. But here it is. You can pause this video. If you can interpret it, just let some of us know in the comment down below what all this stuff means here, and that'll be great. So I'm going to put that to the side. So here we have the filter. This is the package itself. I'm just going to go ahead and put that to the side as well. This is the filter. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up right now. And it seems to be like some kind of like it's solid. That's all I want to say. It's pretty solid. And inside you can, it's a hollow hole, and at the bottom you can see that it just goes straight through. And inside of here there actually kind of mesh that's inside here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. It's kind of a mesh in there. So I'm assuming once the water comes up, it passes through that screen. And okay, yeah. So inside there, it almost kind of resembles this. So on the inside there, around the edge of this little mouthpiece here, there are some holes, and that's where the water comes in through the mesh. And this area is actually, it blocks the water from coming straight up through this straw here. And what it does, the water comes in and around here, and as you're sucking in, it's going to create that pressure, and the water is going to come in through this filter and up the straw. I know I'm jambling, but I'm trying to explain it as best I can, if you guys can see that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there now. See what that's like. As you can see, that it does have some pretty, it's a little bit of a, like a charcoal powder, if you guys can see that or not. So I think you are supposed to rinse it before using. You rinse it out, you rinse everything out. Especially, please be sure to wash your water bottles, because they just come straight from the factory. You don't know what kind of contaminants are going to be in there. Yeah, so you just go ahead and push it in, and it's pretty snug in there. Once you have it in there, you kind of just come back in here, you tighten it up, and you are good to go. So that is basically it, guys. This is the Brita water filter. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, there aren't any videos out there that'll show you like what this thing is composed of, but as you can see, it's pretty solid. It's just like, it's not foam or anything like that. It seems like just one big compressed ball of activated charcoal, which will help with the filtering of the water, helping with the water taste and reducing some of that hardness in the water. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And also please be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter at techguilt. Peace, guys, and we'll see you later. Oh, go ahead and just hit that little subscribe button down below. Peace.
Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me?